At this point, I'm just seeing how good I can actually be. I got 3 Shashka targets. And I'm going to see I can hit all 3, starting with what I would consider the easiest, second hardest, and hardest. Something I also forgot, this gun auto cocks the safety for me. I missed. Good thing this isn't the zombie apocalypse or I'd be screwed. I don't know. These things might go through a human skull. I don't have an analog to test that. Missed again. Luckily, I have plenty of ammunition. Haha! First one down. Must admit, that was kind of a little anticlimactic. I kind of expected it to blow up a little more. Seat that well. So everything still lined up. Oh, I shot it. I didn't knock it down, but I shot it. Try that again. I know I shot it because a stream of liquid came out of it. Missed. Can't call it a true victory unless I knock it down off the podium. Luckily, I have time and ammunition. Let's see if third time's the charm. missed again. I'm going to go look at that thing. Nope. I definitely hit it right on the rim. I don't know why. I keep missing.
You get one of them damn horses, CT, and we're all in trouble.
It's outlaw and all the horses are over there. I wouldn't be shooting this way if they were.
You know you hit me and things like that.
Hey, I had it that time. Did I hit it in the same exact spot? Some reason that thing just doesn't want to fall. Okay. What the hell sorcery witchcraft is going on here? You've got to be freaking kidding me. My noble band of outlaws, I couldn't make this shit up if I tried. And I have video evidence of this. I have been hitting it in the exact same spot. Give or take a centimeter. Well, I decided to just victory shotgun it, since it doesn't appear as if I would be knocking it down to cause an explosion anytime soon. We will now aim for the one I consider to be the hardest at the beginning of this. And if I end up knocking this damn thing down in one shot, I'm going to just... I'm going to consider myself a sniper at that point. I doubt this is going to be a one shot though. Sogil King! Call me Sniper King Usopp! The one I thought would be the hardest of all to actually hit turned out to be the second easiest. Ain't that just a cruel ass bitch? But entry, exit. Oh, beautiful. you've enjoyed these well, honestly, I can't even call this sharpshooting. But I hope you've enjoyed this shooting content. If you want to see more, hit the like button and write it in the comments, I guess. But till next time, my noble band of outlaws, Outlaw Samurai tells all y'all, be crazy rednecks, be safe and use your weapons, and leave your comments on content you want me to do. Like, do you want me to do more of these shooting things? Right now I am completely out of targets. Well, I still have cutting targets, but I don't want to shoot them. So until next time, I'm out. Peace.